Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will create these 5 eyeliner looks. First I will start with basic eyeliner look. For basic eyeliner look, you only need to follow the lash line and simply apply the eyeliner. Basic eyeliner look done. Now I am doing pin-up or winged eyeliner. Simply draw the line from the end of lash line. Drag the end of line towards the lash line. Now fill the wing with eyeliner. And done! Now I am doing graphic eyeliner look. Now drag a line from the end of wing toward the crease. And here is a graphic eyeliner look. Now I am doing soft smoky eyeliner. I am blending the eyeliner with black eyeshadow. This is the most easy way to get smudges eyeliner. Now I am applying black eyeshadow to lower lash line to get dramatic eyes. Now I am applying mascara to complete the look. Which eyeliner look is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you for watching.